Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the occupancy sensor, also known as WSS Module fuses relays on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we will explain guys where you can find that now. Oh, by the way, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. Do not attempt anything because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems. Otherwise, you can cause them to malfunction, which can lead to injuries or even death, guys. Now, quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and you need to know, guys, which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules and computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs and quite a bit of headache. That's why we made one special video. It will be in the description of the video below that will talk about which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Next, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses and relays, we will share guys that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, in this video we'll just check the fuse for the occupancy sensor, also known as the WSS module. If you want to check where the main airbag fuses are located, we'll have that video on the channel that's called airbag module fuse location on W205, Mercedes W205. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that you have up to 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do now, open the driver door. The moment you open the driver door here, you come on the side of the dash, you see that's a cover. That cover, you can pry it open, and behind it, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here what we need to check one fuse. Now, coming guys, okay, in that row of fuses here, okay, you're going to have a top fuse 200 and goes all the way to 211, and then they start 212 all the way to 219. But the fuse that we need to check for the occupancy sensor, it's known as fuse number 219, right here, that 15 amp fuse. By the way, if you want to see the relay, there will be no relay because you have only that fuse. The relay functions practically is controlled by the module. So we have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse. Now if you want to see how to test occupancy sensor, we'll have the video on the channel how to do that on any car. It will be pretty easy. Check it out if you need help with that. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.